Hello everybody, for this video I wanted to do like a soft, warm, neutral cut crease. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with my eyes first. So to prep my eyes, I'm going to apply concealer. I just want a nice base layer before I apply my shadows. I did like a soft pink cut crease and I really like how that turned out. So I wanted to do like a neutral one. If you haven't checked that video out, I'll leave a link somewhere. But I'm really proud of that makeup look that I did. Now I'm going to set the concealer with some face powder so that it doesn't crease. So for this look, I'm mainly going to use my Daisy palette. This has really good warm neutral shades, so I think this will be perfect. First, I'm going to take this color. I'm going to apply this color right here and bring it up and in my crease. I'm going to roughly apply this on my bottom as well. I also like to apply this below the eye fat, the aegyosa area. I'm gonna deepen the look by taking this color and applying it pretty much in the same area. So random topic, I don't know if it's random topic, but I'm filming this when it's like the Amazon Prime sale that's happening right now. Are you guys buying anything? I bought a vacuum cleaner, and you know you're getting old when you get so excited for like a vacuum cleaner. So right now I live with like my husband and his parents, and they have a really old vacuum cleaner where you have to use the cord, and that's just really difficult to use and annoying, and I have to vacuum every single day because I shed so much hair. I don't know why, I just shed so much, therefore I have to vacuum every single day. And I just like vacuuming every single day. I don't like when there's dirt on the floor. I just don't like the feel of it on my feet. So I like to vacuum every day, but it's like really annoying to vacuum every single day when it's like the plug. So we bought a vacuum cleaner, which I'm so excited about. We got the Samsung Bespoke vacuum cleaner. So it's a vacuum cleaner plus the vacuum cleaner. I'm also very excited about that because I hate cleaning the vacuum cleaner. I'm gonna take this dark brown color now and then just concentrate it on the outer V of my eye. Because I want to do like a soft nude cut crease, I'm gonna leave it here, and now I'm gonna apply the concealer to cut it. So I'm grabbing a little concealer, I'm just going to apply it right here, open my eyes, and then fill in that area with concealer. I'm gonna bring the concealer just a little bit higher than where it's supposed to be. And before it sets, I'm gonna apply this color. Next, I'm going to take this gold color with like a liner brush. I'm going to trace that concealer. Now that hides the unevenness of the cut crease. Now I'm going to tightline my eyes and apply eyeliner. Okay, I need a new eyeliner because this felt tip ain't it. I don't know why I bought felt tip. I hate felt tip eyeliner and I don't know why I bought it. This is literally such a bad eyeliner. Never ever get felt tip. You know what? I'm gonna put on lashes so my liner doesn't even matter. I'm gonna be here all day trying to do this. I messed up a little. I messed up a lot, but it's okay because I'm gonna put on lashes. I don't even want to fully open my eyes because I'm scared that this liner is going to transfer and it's going to ruin everything. I'm going to curl my lashes, apply mascara, and put on some false eyelashes, and hopefully it will cover everything because this looks so bad. Like I mentioned, lashes will fix all your problems, and it did. So now let's finish the rest of my makeup. For my base, I'm going to use the Hamish Artlist Perfect Cushion. I'm going to New York this week and I'm so excited. I've been there once, but that's when I was in high school. When I went, I took a backpack with me, and I also took a bus from Toronto to New York City, which was 11 hours. I don't recommend it. I really don't recommend it. But this time I'm taking the plane. Yay! I'm going to see the Millennium concert. I'm so excited because I haven't been to like a concert in so long. What else am I doing in New York? Oh, I'm going to see a musical on Broadway, which again I'm so excited about. We're gonna go see The Lion King. And last time I was in New York, I couldn't see it because the ticket was around like $300. It just didn't seem reasonable to pay that much at the time. The seats weren't even like the front seat, it was like the very back seat. Oh, and it was also like last minute, like we went there to buy the ticket, so I think that's why it was really pricey. This time we booked ahead of time, so the ticket wasn't that expensive. I'm going to quickly do my brows because they look really sad and empty. And then other than that, we're just kind of there to eat because, you know, New York has really good food. We're going to this all-you-can-eat Wagyu beef. It's a restaurant called Hyun in Koreatown, and it looks so good, and I'm really excited. That place is like really expensive, so that's like the only like luxury dining that we'll be doing. But like I think New York is like known for like their cheap eats as well, like the pizza, the bagel, the Chinese food in Chinatown. If we see like good places to eat, then we'll probably just get it. Right now I'm just contouring my nose, getting carried away. Now I'm going to just contour my face. Just gonna add like a pink blush to it. I've been really liking this pink color. It just looks very nice on my skin tone, and it goes with a lot of the makeup look I do, so I really like it. I'm going to add a bit of highlight. And then lastly, for my lips, and I'm going to keep it neutral. I'm just going to apply like a nudie gloss. I don't want it to overpower the eye makeup. I'm just gonna quickly go and pop on my contact lenses because my look will not be complete without it. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. Comment below your boba order and I will get it and post it on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.